Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to erase cookies in the Brave browser. If websites are not working properly or you are facing login issues, erasing or clearing cookies can fix it. To clear cookies in Brave browser, first open it. After that, click on this one triple line menu, and in the drop down menu select settings. Under settings, click on this one privacy and security option. On the right, click on this one delete browsing data. Under this one basic tab, you can select time range from last hour to all time. To fix the issues, you need to select all time. After that, uncheck other things, and here check this one option cookies and other site data, and after that click on this one delete data button. That's it. Brave will clear all cookies from your browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.